Hello, my name is Nick, and this is my final project for my Matlab class. It's a program that will hopefully aid in helping others be a little bit happier throughout the day. As you can see, I have obviously named this program Final Project, and the way that it starts is you just type it in Matlab, push enter, and then the first question that it sees, or that the user sees, asks if you're happy or not, in which case you can answer yes or no. If you answer yes, the program just stops and goes to the end, and it displays the surprise at the end, which we will discuss later, but I'm not going to show you that for now. So for starters, we're just going to say no for right now. So we type in N and we push enter, and what it displays is what my hope is for the success of this program. I say, well, I hope these jokes will help you cheer up a bit, and then it asks how many jokes would you like to see. The reason that 10 is the maximum is only because I only put 10 in, so I can only show you 10. For brevity's sake, we're just going to say, let's just see 3 for right now. So we push in 3 and I push enter. And the way I've set this program up is that if at some point you do feel a little bit happier, you'll see how you'll show that throughout the program. It will stop and skip to the end, and it will show the little surprise. It's really not much of a surprise, so don't get your hopes up. So to begin, we push enter. And the first joke that it displays right now is what you get when you cross a rhino and a mountain climber. To get the answer, you push enter, and it says you cannot cross them because the mountain climber is a scalar. I know that might be kind of lame for those of you who don't like or understand calculus, but I enjoy it. Just to show an example of proceeding through to another joke, I'm going to push N right now just to show that I haven't cheered up yet. Then I push enter. Next joke, it says, what do you get when you cross an elephant and a rhino? To get the answer, you push enter again, and it says, well, Elf, I know. Now, just for right now, say the user cheered up a bit, you push yes, and you proceed on to the next part of this program. So now that we've pushed yes, and because it cheered us up a bit, that last joke was funny, what it proceeds to next is it talks about how much sleep you've been getting, because everybody knows that the more sleep you get, theoretically, you should be a little bit happier. And so there's just a quick little simple formula to find out how many hours of sleep that you got if you went to bed in the evening and you woke up in the morning. If these criteria are not met, the formula doesn't apply, and so to make sure that this formula will be applicable, it asks if you went to bed in the PM hours and woke up in the AM hours. So we're just going to assume that me, the user, did go to bed in the evening and woke up in the morning, so I push yes here and I push enter, and so now it asks, what time did you go to bed last night? Maybe I'll say 10 o'clock. And it asks next, what time did you wake up in the morning? Let's just say 7 o'clock, just for example's sake. I push enter, and it says number of hours of sleep that I got was 9, and the printed message here was, you are getting enough sleep to help make you happy. 9 hours of sleep is a good amount of sleep to be getting, obviously. So here we are at the end of the program where the output message says that we are obviously getting enough sleep. There's only one thing left to do. It says push enter, and what we see here is a graph that the program gives you. Title you can see, it says this is hopefully what your face should look like after the program, because as I mentioned at the beginning of the movie, that the goal of this program was just to hopefully make you a little bit happy. This is an example. It's just me being a little goofy. You can see the legend, see how it applies, and this hopefully shows what Matlab can do in the world of programming and helping other people. We'll exit out of here, and as you can see by this input status right here, the program has ended. And this was just one example of the many routes that the program could have taken. If you would like to try many different routes that it could have taken, get in touch with me and I can give you the code that you can run it on Matlab with. And yeah, that's about the end of all that this program offers. Hopefully even this small example cheered you up a bit. Talk to you later. Bye.